folks, and we're here with Holy Smokes, one of my favorite pits that I've ever had, thanks to Charles Viviano and our church for making this happen several years ago. But Holy Smokes is fired up right now. I'm cooking with wood. It's got a fire in the firebox, and I've got some apple wood today. We're cooking with apple wood. All right, here we go. Barbecue time. Holy Smokes is rolling outside, getting heated up, and just wanted to show you the prep for our chicken. What we've done is we've trimmed our chicken up and we've tucked it into a foil pan. We cut all the excess fat off of it. Again, we're doing a competition type of or competition style chicken. This is what you would normally do if you were going to be in a chicken competition. And so I saw it and thought, hey, let me try it and see how it goes. And so I'm sharing this with all of you. This is our chicken thighs. Trimmed them up and made them real pretty. And then I made my sauce, my dry seasoning. And so they've been brining, dry brining in a dry seasoning that I created that is made of brown sugar, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and some pepper flakes. And so it's real simple. Just I'd mixed it all up. Didn't really measure it out, just mixed it up until I got the taste, until I got to the taste that I wanted, and put it on the chicken. Now you can cut, you can go right to something like this, the barbecue rub. You can do that, or you can just put salt and pepper, whatever you want your flavor to end up being like, you can do that. And many of you probably already have a rub that you like. If you have a rub that you really like, that you think others will like, why don't you just drop it down in the comments below? But we would love it. But this is the prep. We put it in a styrofoam, it's not styrofoam, it is actually tin foil. We put it in tin foil pan, and we're about to take it out to the pit, to Holy Smokes, and put it on the Holy Smokes pit, and get this fired up. We're gonna bring the temperature up. Temperature was running about 350, 300. I'm gonna try to keep that temperature around 300. Just so that we can get this chicken going. So this is what we're gonna do. All right, we got our chicken over here. It's been dry brining. So we're gonna take this chicken and we're gonna stick it in here just like this. Just like this. I'm gonna bring it back around there. And so we're gonna put this on for probably about 30 to 45 minutes. Just give or take. We'll check the color on it, but really all we're wanting to do is get some color on this right now. Get some color, but also get some smoke on the chicken, so that it will have a good flavor. And then I'll show you the next step here in just a moment. It's going to be good. Can't wait. All right, here we are. Holy Smokes. My goodness, look at this. Look at all this goodness. All right, look at that chicken. We've got some good smoke. I actually threw a little bit of hickory in there because I love hickory flavor. And so the mixture of apple and hickory is going to really be nice. And so here we are. Okay, so we've been about 35 to 40 minutes smoking in the pan. So it's got a good smoke, got a good color, and everything's looking really good with this chicken. So what we're going to do now is we have some butter cubes. So we're going to take this butter. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to take this butter and we're going to stick it right on the chicken. All right, so we have the butter put on. So this is basically what it's going to look like. All right, so we put the pan back in. It has the butter on top of it. It's going, we put the tinfoil on top, and we're gonna let this cook for about an hour. And then our next step is going to be finger licking good. I'm telling you, it's gonna be incredible. It's gonna be slap your mama good. Can't wait. But hey, we have just taken the chicken off the pit, and it's looking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that great looking chicken. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take it and I'm going to take each piece and we're going to generously put it into a sauce. And this is a sauce that I created. And then once we get it into the sauce, we're going to take it and we're going to stick it right here and in here. And so we're going to let that caramelize. Now you see I've added some sausage, but we're going to take that and we're going to do that to each piece. Now you see how that butter and everything just kind of just cooked down, and this chicken has just been beautiful. I mean, it's just beautiful right now. I'm telling you, right now it looks like it will just fall off the bone. And so we'll just brush that on. And the idea is to have everything coated, and then we'll just put it back in there, and just let it sit. And so we'll let that sit for about 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. All right, folks, I just took it out of the pit, and now they have glazed, and that barbecue sauce is really glazed and really tacky, as you can tell. And the next test is simply just to bite into it like a barbecue judge. Can't wait. All right, everyone. Hey, right now we're about to take the chicken that we have been barbecuing. We're about to take it out and we're about to eat it. Woo! I'm about to bite into it like a barbecue judge. Now, again, this is barbecue competition barbecue style thighs. And so tried something new, something different. And so we're going to see what happens. So here we go. I'm going to take this lid off. Oh, look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, the color, everything just looks so incredible. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this one piece out. And normally, a judge would actually get a piece of thigh, and they do a couple of different tests. They look at it. Really, they want to make sure that it looks pretty and looks nice in the tray. So whenever they're served, it has to look nice. These look pretty nice. And then they look at the sauce, make sure that the sauce is not too thick, because you don't want a very thick sauce. And then the bite test. And the bite test is really about biting through the skin and the meat. It's supposed to be tender. Now these have been cooking, and I can already tell they're super tender. And so the judges normally bite around here. Now, I'm not a judge, but I'm going to be a judge today. So, oh my. Oh.
Good?
Incredible. The sauce.
You
look.
Breathing okay?
I'm about to pass out. It's so good. Glad my mama's not here, because I'd be slapping her right now.
Oh, let me get away.
Look, come close. Look. See how juicy that meat is? They're really juicy. And look, the skin bit right through the skin. Everything is so tender. Everything is so tender. I'm telling you, this is finger licking good. I wish you could taste this right now. Oh, I'll see you later.